Hello, welcome to our EQ Academy. My name is Deborah McPhillamy. I'm also a speaker and an author, and I'm the master trainer on this course. I just want to say I'm so thrilled that you've decided to join us on this big mission of helping children and people around the world to become emotionally intelligent. I'm so passionate about it. I discovered emotional intelligence 18 years ago. It was in 2003, and it changed my life profoundly. Not only was my life transformed beyond recognition when I discovered the steps of how to become emotionally intelligent, but it also changed my children's lives. It changed my families, my brothers, my husbands. It's just the most amazing thing that I've ever learned and put into place. And now you have joined us as well. So I'm just so thrilled and so excited that you've decided to jump on this mission and to become emotionally intelligent yourself, and also to help those in your life or the people that you teach to become emotionally intelligent as well. So whether you are a school, a tutor, a parent, somebody who just wants to do it for themselves, you are in the right place. So I just wanted to say welcome so that you can put a face to a voice, because for the duration of this course, you are going to hear my voice. Now and then I pop up on screen in some of the teachings, but otherwise you just mostly hear my voice. Now, the course is really simple to follow. It really is a step-by-step process. And what I would suggest is, just take it day by day. You decide when you want to do it. I've designed it in such a way that you do it over 6 to 8 weeks. Now, the reason that I've done that is that becoming emotionally intelligent is like it's a new way of being in life. So the skills and the knowledge that you're going to learn need to be integrated, to be processed, because, little aha moments are going to go on in your head, because not only do you learn about your emotions in this course, I teach you about human behavior, I teach you about personalities and temperaments and brain profiles. So it really is a course that explains what makes a human tick. Now, yes, emotions is one of the strongest of all of that, but I think it's quite important that you understand yourself and the people in your life, and that's why you're going to learn so much more. You're going to learn about the human mind as well. So you're going to learn so much more than just about your emotions and how to be intelligent about them. So follow the steps, enjoy the process. There are going to be times that come up that you might feel a little bit emotional or regretful of things that happened in the past. It does happen, but don't be scared of your emotions. Emotions are just energy. They're just a language. So if that does happen, as I said, just work through it. And if you have any struggles whatsoever, or if you really struggle to do this on your own, then reach out in the group. We've got a group that we set up just for you to be able to access myself and my team and the rest of the experts, so that you don't have to do this alone. You really don't have to do this alone. Okay, so otherwise, as I said, enjoy the process, trust the process, go through all the steps one at a time. If you feel emotional at any given time, it's okay, it's normal. Don't fight it, don't suppress it, work through it, and if you need any help, ask in the group. Until then, have a wonderful day, and thank you once again for joining us. I'm so excited for you, because I know that this new way of being and this new journey and this new step that you are taking, whether it's for yourself or your business or the school that you're in, is going to be simply amazing. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.